Today we are trading this way. No indicators, bare chart. 1 minute, initial $100 and I will trade according to the trend, that is based on price movement. I see the price is reversing, I place a down trade for 1 minute. I see the price is trending, so I trade accordingly. I see a range, I trade the range. I will focus more on trading based on the movement. That is, with candles, here we have red candles, I place a down trade, green ones come, I place an up trade. Let's go. I place here for 1 minute, not the best trade here. I should have placed here, but I was explaining I wanted to place here. I will either chase on this pair or switch to another pair. No indicators, no auxiliary information, just a bare chart relying on levels, trends, ranges, and price action. If the trade goes into loss, we either switch to another pair or I chase immediately on this pair. As I said, this point is not the best. Yes, despite the fact that we have another level below, it is quite risky. Having placed here, I wanted to trade right here where the green one reached and there was a pullback again. It would have been ideal, but here, let's place $200. Well, alright, oh great, it's going into profit. So the initial, let's move to another pair and look at other pairs. I can immediately see the price movement here for 1 minute up. When you have experience, you can open the chart right away. You already have neural connections in your brain, developed over time in various situations. For beginners, I repeat, you can trade with indicators. Accordingly, those who are just learning can trade based on my signals. For those who don't know, I have a closed Telegram channel called VIPKA with signals and educational videos on the signals. I trade myself, write the signal, currency pair, time, direction. If a martingale is needed, we set the martingale for coverage and bring the trade into profit. There are also educational videos there. There will soon be a new educational video, an original one. Write to me via the link in the description. Telegram, I want a team. I will add you. Entry is free now. You don't need to pay me anything. I will add you there. You start to develop, learn, and earn money. Yes, the price has retraced here. Nothing serious, obviously. There will be martingales here. Let's leave this pair. The price is getting stuck here, meaning it's standing still. So here let's go for, what is it? Let's go for a decrease here. Oh, I took it well on the impulse. We had an upward movement here. The price here has caught a maximum, meaning it has reached a certain level. If you look at the history, there is a strong level. Below here and short term here for a minute, I placed a trade for a decrease. Accordingly, I moved the martingale. The trade will close in profit. Good. If not, then we will take a martingale of $450 either here or on another pair. For those who didn't understand what's going on, I rely purely on my knowledge, on my experience, without the help of indicators, without any analysis. I just saw the situation, immediately placed the trade, it went into profit, great, I will martingale, it went into profit. We set the initial one purely based on my experience. So here let's also go down. I don't do such a meticulous analysis. I see a pair, identify the initial point where I aim, make a trade, and use martingales to bring the trade into profit. On average, I use 1 to 2 martingales. If the situation is complicated, then 3 to 4. But for beginners, 2 to 3 at most, 4 martingales or better. 1 to 2, then 3, and already consider a large martingale based on some level or indicators, not just randomly. The initial one personally I make can be called a target trade. The initial trade I personally make when trading myself is a target trade. That is, I see that the price is at a boundary. Yes, I immediately make a trade here, monitor the situation, and manage the trade. Let's move away from this pair. We have already missed where we could have taken a martingale. Let's see. Now looking at other currency pairs, someone has started to shoot in the market. Let's go for an increase here. This is our martingale. I moved the martingale. For those who don't know how to move a martingale, you cover it on another pair. You just find a situation on another pair. If you don't see where to martingale, just move the martingale accordingly. An upward trend. The price has hit a level and seems to want to go up. But let's manage the trade. Let's see. It's a bit borderline here. We should have waited for the price to really shoot up. I hope it will close. Either we prepare 450 right away. Martingales can be here. Maybe there will be a third and fourth martingale here. I am ready for this. So I calmly wait for the closing of this trade now. If it goes into profit, that's good. If we are closed in the negative, then we switch to another pair and look for a signal on another currency pair. Well, we are being closed here. There won't be any miracles here. Let's switch to another currency pair right away. That is, we switch to the pair without delays and start trading immediately. I'm currently reviewing pairs. So let's go for a downward trade here. I'm placing a downward trade here. There were such movements here, a pullback. The price is specifically catching in the consolidation, and it seems like everything indicates that the price wants to go here. I'm trading dangerously. It's 1 minute and a quick analysis can lead to such false trades because I'm not doing a meticulous analysis. That is, I'm trading now just as if aiming for a 20-second trade. It seems to confidently go into profit. As I said, I initially placed the trade. I'm explaining to you right away that I'm trading, meaning it's just a recording. I'm not overlaying or voicing the video. So I'm clicking now and you hear me moving the mouse. I zoomed in on the maximum and opened here so you understand. Most record from above, then after trading, plus 8119 to the deposit. The official direct link to Pocket Option is in the description below this video. Feel free to register, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the bell and leave your comments.